How to make Google Cast streaming quality on standard on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make Google Cast streaming quality on standard on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here you will find this settings icon in the top corner. Click on it, and now click here, click audio, and here you will find it. Here you will find Google Cast. Click on it, and then just click standard. And as you see now, Google Cast streaming quality is on standard. And then now all you need to do is just go back, it will be saved, and as you see, that's how to change it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.